Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to create buzz in BuzzFrom. There's several kinds of buzz and they're increasing all the time, but you do them all in exactly the same way. What we're looking at the moment is the town home page for Wells and Mendip. The top half of the page, all of these images represent buzz that people have posted, and if we scroll down below we can see in this screen we can see what's on, and that's all buzz as well. On the right hand side here we can see that we have an option for tell us what's on, buzz from Bazaar. This is buzz too, and I'm going to show you how to do all of that. So just flipping down to the bottom of the screen you can see that we're not logged in. No user is logged in, so we're just a visitor to the site as the vast majority of people are. And here we've got buzz up at the top here, so if I click on one of those items of buzz it will open and you can see that Wells Walking Tours have posted some buzz with an image that we can read, and here is buzz that they've posted in the past that we can flip through. There's just 4 pieces. If there were more we could flip left and right. So that's some buzz that they have posted. Let's see how we can post some ourselves. The first thing we do is we click on create some buzz, and we need to be logged in. You can see on the right hand side here no user is logged in, so I'm going to log in. If I didn't have a user ID and password I would click here to register and follow the simple steps. I submit and I go back to the town home page because that's where I started from, and I now decide what I want to do as I am now logged in. So let's click on create some buzz, or I can go up here to my buzz. It's the same thing. It takes us to our buzz page, if you like. This is where we create the buzz. It's like a control panel, I suppose. And it defaults to creating buzz, but there's a buzz history. We can look at what we've done in the past, or we can, for example, change our password in our profile area. I've created some, or rather I've prepared something already, so I will just enter a headline for it. My Spitfire flight, for example. Now I have copied it into memory, a text that I'm going to paste it there, and you can see that I've used 927 characters out of 1,000. You can use any number you like, as long as it doesn't exceed 1,000. Over here is the image. Now images are very important on the BuzzFrom site, and every piece of buzz, irrespective of its type, requires an image. Now you navigate to the images in the same way you're probably familiar with. It depends on your operating system. I'm using Macintosh here, Windows very similar. If I click on select image it will open effectively a browser window where I can browse and find the image that I want. And in this case it's this one, so I'm just going to select it. And here it is, and I can crop this image, and the system will keep it in the right proportions for me, but it will not allow me to make it smaller than it needs to be. Now if your image is too small, if you've selected an image that's too small, it'll tell you so, and you just have to use another one. If your image is enormous, you can select part of the image that you want. And when you have done, you can click on crop, and there is the image. I can preview it, I submit it, we just submit it, and I can now post some more buzz if I want to. But let's go back and see what's happened to the buzz I've just created. Go back to the home page, as any visitor to the site would be coming to the home page. They want to look at under the sections here, for example, we're looking at latest at the moment, but if I wanted to look only at travel, these are the posts relating to travel. I wanted to look at only going out. This is what's relating to going out. I go back to latest. This is just the latest. If I click on buzzing, here is my post, because it's the latest post. We're now the 1st of September, and there it is. If I select it, it will open below in exactly the same way as the Wells walking tours did earlier. This is the buzz that I've posted in the past, and I can select one of those to look at if I want to, just as any visitor can. So that's posting some buzz, very straightforward.